Because yeah, I mean, obviously, I want to start using LeoDex ASAP, and I connected to it through a Keystore and stuff like that. But as far as transactionally, I already
Yeah, I
know
mean,
it's going
I
to be
still think I still think it's a superior experience to move, like when you're gonna do a swap, you have MetaMask, you have XDFi, move the, like, let's say you're gonna swap, 1,000 USDC and you've got it in your MetaMask. I like personally, this is how I like to use even other like Thorchain type of UIs. Move the USDC into a key store. So you have your key store address, you move it there, and then you do the swap. And then after you do the swap, you send it back to your MetaMask or your hardware wallet or whatever,
smart.
which is also just a good security practice. But
Well, yeah, it's a layer of security. So
right,
for, and this kind of touches into a lot of things we need to start doing, which I have housekeeping items later, so we can also get the word out on all the other uh, outlets, so to speak, um, that you do, so people can be informed, like chain chatter and such. But anyway, I digress. So with that said, for anyone that's listening that's never done a key store, what's the easiest way to get started with a key store? Like what resource can they use to
you
essentially
can.
have that key store?
We built it into LeoDex, so you can use LeoDex to create a key store, and it's
Perfect.
super easy. Um,
Nice.
and so also I'll share this link. The docs for LeoDex are now live. Just, let me just get the link for you guys.
RTFD, RTFD.
Yeah, RTFD. So I just posted a link for the docs. Um, so the docs are now live. Uh,
Where are the docs?
and in those docs, you'll see that there is a section for community tutorials under tutorials and then click community tutorials. By the way, these docs, we went for like ultimate simplicity on the docs. They're meant to be super straight forward to the point, concise. So if you look at the docs, it's like it could take 5 minutes to read the entire docs. And I would recommend checking it out, especially like the Leo token page. If you're curious about the kind of tokenomics behind what is being done here, these docs are also meant to be a little bit more outward facing. So they're not, really inward facing towards you guys. They're more meant to target people who don't know about Leo, don't know about LeoDex, don't know about Inleo, don't know about Hive. That's what these docs are meant to kind of target. Um, so like I said, you can click the different tabs to kind of get more information. But if you go under tutorials and then community tutorials, the first tutorial under that section, I'll share the link, um, is a tutorial by Nifty on how to create a key store using LeoDex. And it's like stupidly easy. So definitely recommend checking it out.